And it's been our tradition, every partner state where we hold the EALA sittings, we ensure that at least we visit a program supporting the needy, or engage with women programs. But this time around, we thought it was important through our sisters in Uganda, Honorable Rose and the Honorable Sarah Opendi, to come and visit now a charity home for babies. And of course, this is great work. It's beautiful works, supporting the needy, but also touching lives of young babies who are the future generation of Uganda, of East Africa. And we came here to donate various items, as you saw for yourself, including foodstuffs and even other utensils for children, and some modest contribution. And we go back happy because we feel we've made a small difference in the lives of these NGOs. And we take a message in all our countries, but also East Africa, to support, because if this child grows, these are the future engineers, they are the future leaders of this nation, they are the future citizens of East Africa. So it's an obligation to ensure that we care for the needy, especially the children, and it's a call for everyone to support humanity.
We look after 150 primary children. We pay school fees for them from nursery to primary 7. And for this year, we had 20 children who sat for P7. We pray that we get success so that we can join secondary school. And another activity is the elderly project. We look after the elderly people in the community. Though we don't have a home for them, it is our future dream if we can build a home for the elderly. We look after them from their homes. We provide for them. We give them medicine. We give them food supplies on a monthly basis. There are 100 of them. They're in different communities. Our home is a transitional home. Today you might find baby Regan here, and then the next week, by God's grace, we might find the parents, or we might have found a foster parent for him.
Njagala kusaba bannayuganda tubeere n'ogwo mutima ogw'okuyamba, naye ate ekikulu ennyo abasobola okuba nti bajjawo omwana omu n'omutwala n'obeera naye ng'omuzadde, nakyo kiyamba, kubanga abaana bano tebasobola kukulira wano, beetaaga kubeera mu maka. So bannayuganda tubeere n'ezo empisa, tuleme kulinda abantu okuva ebweru bajja ne bajjawo abaana. Abamu tebazaala, tebalina abaana waka, sobola okujja n'ojjawo omwana omu n'omutwala.
Nabwekyo nsaba abali bweru bonna banange abantu abakola wano St. Teresa Children's Center Baby Home bagezaako byonna kuyamba abo abaana be baleka bazadde baabwe babazaala, abakyala babazaala ne babasuula, oba mu ttooyi oba mu kkubo oba mu kyaki, bonna bali wano, abaana balabika bulungi.